We all been using Visual Studio Code to write a code. But can we write a code in Visual Studio by artificial intelligence? Yes. Yes, we can write a code with artificial intelligence in Visual Studio Code. So in this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT in Visual Studio Code and how to install its extension in VS Code. And this video is going to more interesting and I am 100% make sure you must get the benefit by watching this video. So make sure to watch till the end. So let's dive into. So first of all, you can see your Visual Studio Code page and here you can see the icon of the extension. Just click on it and write a code GPT here. So this is the extension, you have to install it, and from there you have to click on install, and from here you have to press the key Control Shift P, and there you have to write the code GPT, and here it is asking for set API key. So from there you have to set the API key, but for now we have to get the key from the ChatGPT account. So let's dive into ChatGPT and you have to make an account to get the key. So after that you have to hit this URL to get the key. And from there you can generate a new secret key. Just click on it and copy the key and OK. And from here you can get all previous API keys. Just click on this view API keys and then go back to Visual Studio, put the key here and press the enter. So as you can see, API key is saved and now we have to open a file or you can create new one. Just save it and I'm going to give it name test.php. Just start the extension of PHP and here I'm going to write a comment. So here I'm going to give it a task. For example, write a CRUD in PHP. And now you have to press the Ctrl Shift I on the same line. So now you can see in the below it is saying I am thinking. So it can take 1 minute or maybe less than a minute. So as you can see, it has write down a code. You have to copy it all and paste it there. You have to close this tab. Don't save. So as you can see, it has write down the code, and from there I am going to select this one and right click, and here you can see it can perform other operations like explain, refactor, document, find problems and unit testing. So I am going to click on explain. You can use other things, it's totally up to you. So now it has explained. This code checks if there is an error connecting to our MySQL database. So it has explained correctly and write also correctly. So by this way you can use ChatGPT in your Visual Studio Code and it will help definitely in a lot of problems, and it can also solve the problems, write the solutions and also many things. So the CRUD system is just for testing and you can do many other things by using this extension. And I hope you must find this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button. And finally, thanks for watching.